How to tare a triple beam balance. This is the pan. This is the zero you want to line the beam up with. These are the 3 beams and the 3 riders. Slide all the riders all the way to the left of the beams before you start. Notice that the beam is not on 0, it's below it. So you're going to move this weight until you get the beam close to lining up with the 0. You can turn the weight in order to adjust it more precisely. And when it's getting really close, you'll be able to adjust this knob on the end underneath the pan. That's a fine-tuning knob. Wait for the beam to stop moving. Adjust more if necessary. And you want to make sure that the beam and the 0 line up completely. When making ceramic glazes, often you need to use a container in order to measure your dry ingredients. Place the container on the pan, and you notice that now we need to zero out the scale again because we only want to measure the weight of the ingredients, not the weight of the container. So adjust to the weight on the beam and continue making small adjustments until the beam starts to move. Once the beam starts to move, you can make smaller adjustments to get it closer and closer to reaching the 0. When you begin to get close to the 0, you can use the fine-tuning adjustment knob beneath the pan to continue to get closer and closer to 0. Take your time and wait for the beam to stop moving in order to tell how close to 0 you have gotten. Once you reach 0, you're ready to begin measuring your dry ingredients. I want to measure 342.2 grams. I will move my riders on the beams starting with the largest measurement. So I will move the largest rider on the largest beam to the 300, making sure it's firmly in the groove. And then I'll move to the 10s beam, and then I'll move to the 1s. And now I have 342.2 grams. Now I can start to slowly add my dry ingredient to the bowl sitting on top of the pan that has already been zeroed out. And I will gradually add more and more material until my beam hits the 0, and then I'll know I have exactly 342.2 grams of dry material inside my container.